Don't say you love me if it's only 'cause you've run out of better things to say. Don't pretend you know me, I haven't shown you anything besides the clothes I wear in the light of day. And I'll wait for true love, she is sailing on an emerald green ocean so far away. And I wait for the girl that takes my hand, comes to shore and shows my heart its rightful place. Standing on an ocean map of nothingness together, the end up getting all killed. As soon as you do realize a little bit of a feather and the fox is in the White House on the hill, you can wait for your whole life on a man who said he'd save you. I can't speak with times of late. We can go out into the world and wrap your arms around old Wunderbar, love and grace. Grace is what we need. Love and grace is what we need. Love and grace is what we need. Love and grace is what we need. Yeah. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers again with a song from a band called Caamp, C-A-A-M-P, and a song called Wunderbar. Okay, standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret. It puts it into the same key as the recording and how they play it live, I believe. If you want to play it exactly the same as Caamp, then you would need to detune your guitar by half a step. The whole guitar by half a step, and then play the E chord, the A chord and the B chord. Okay, but I decided to play it without detuning, so hence the capo, and we're playing it in D shapes and G and A, that sort of thing. Okay, so the way I play it, so we're in the same key anyway, basically. Okay, so to make it easy for everybody staying in standard tuning. Okay, so, and it plays along with the record. So starts off on a D strum. Don't say you love me, it's only 'cause we've run out of G. I'm playing a 4-finger G here. Play 3-finger G if you like, but I'm playing 4-finger G, doubling up on the 3rd fret up to the 2nd string as well. Okay, so don't say you love me, it's only you've run out of G. Better things to G, back to D again. Say, repeat. Don't pretend you know me, I haven't shown you anything besides the G. Clothes I wear in the light of, back to D. Okay, so we'll just go through that whole thing again. Intro first. First intro is just basically a D strum. Okay. Right, here we go. Don't say you love me if it's only 'cause you've run out of better things to say. Don't pretend you know me, I haven't shown you anything besides the clothes I wear in the light of day. Okay, then we go into the sort of pre-chorus, the chorus. A, and I wait for my true love, she is sailing on an emerald green, E minor, ocean so far, back to D, D, repeat the whole thing, and I wait for the day that she takes my hand, comes to shore and shows my E minor heart, it's right for D, place. Okay, so that's the chorus section, pre-chorus and chorus, okay? So from the beginning of the end of the chorus, end of the first verse, we go into the chorus. And I wait for my true love. She is sailing on an emerald green E minor ocean. So far D. Wait. Back to A. And I wait for the day she takes my hand and comes to shore and shows my E minor heart. It's right for D. Place. And then comes this very interesting little bit. Now obviously that's played mainly on a banjo, so I've sort of pinched the lead line of the banjo and trying to incorporate it into the chords, so strum it. And the chord is basically a simple B flat. Okay, so first finger playing the first fret from the capo on the top E string, and your other three fingers playing the third fret of the fourth, third and second strings from the capo, okay? And basically what it is, it's basically a B flat, then take the first finger off, then put it back again, off, on, D. Got that? So it's on, off, on, off, on, D. That's the easiest way I can think of playing it for you, okay? And you play that once and then it goes into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, different words, and then another chorus, and then we go to the outro, which I'll show you in a second. So coming out of the, let's do the first chorus and then we'll do this instrumental bit between that and the next verse, okay? So going into the middle bit, and I'll wait for my true love, she is sailing on an emerald green ocean, so far away, and I wait for the day when she takes my hand and comes to shore and shows my heart the rightful place, right? Right, and then we're into the next verse, exactly the same. Standing on an ocean that would not us together, G is all D killed. Repeat. As soon as you realise that all birds of a feather and the G box is in the White House, D and the hill, chorus A, and we'll wait for your whole life on our man who said he'd save you, and like an E minor, times of D date, or you can A, go out into the world and wrap your arms around all the wonder, E minor, bar, love and D, grace. Right, now we do two lots of the instrumental bit. Again, we'll repeat that bit again. Right, here comes the outro. Love and grace is what we need. And that's all it is, just D and G, okay? 4 times. Love and grace is what we need. Love and grace is what we need. Change the pitch. Love and grace is what we need. Love and grace is what we need. On the 4th time you stop on the G and then he sort of takes it up an octave or whatever, and then we do 2 D to Gs. There he goes. Okay, and after this, on the second one it goes, and all we need is E minor, A, D. Stop, finish, end of song. Okay, So we'll go from the second chorus. After the second verse, you can wait till moonlight on a man who said he'd save you, and I can't speak of the time so late. We can go out into the world and wrap your arms around the Wunderbar, love and grace, instrumental twice. Again. Right, there comes the outro. Love and grace is what we need. 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 All we need. So you got that? So after you've done your love and grace is all we need 4 times and you've stopped on the last one, just do 2 G, 2 D to Gs, 4 beats on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2. All we E minor need, A, E, D, stop. End of song. So there it is, boys and girls. Camp's Wunderbar. Thanks very much for watching this in. Hope that helps all you Caamp fans out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.